Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back. It's been a little while. It is now springtime, almost summertime. Well, I could say almost summertime, June 2nd, more or less. And I needed a new Bluetooth headset because the one I wore, or the one I have, broke. So I got the brand new Cardo Freedom 4X, and we're going to open box it now. I got it from my favorite place, which was Amazon. The thing was, it's interesting, the price for it was $189. Which was way less than the actual from other places that I found. And this is the 4X. So this is the first time I'm open boxing it, and let's see what we get. So what comes in the box is the Cardo 4X Freedom. Nothing else in the box. Put that knife over there in a safe location. So I'm going to get you a close-up to it. I just wanted to give you an open box, a quick video, and then I will use this for a little while and I'll come back and make a review on it. I didn't want to get into it first, but this is the latest Cardo for Freecom 4X. This is the latest. It comes in a 2X and a 4X, and I think they have a 1X, but you have to double check on that. Bluetooth 5.2, does not have mesh, which is fine. I don't care for mesh. I'm going to go to Mexico soon, and I'll be riding with my cousin Adrian. Shout out to Adrian and his own YouTube channel. Check it out. He has a lot of stuff on motorcycles, so it's pretty cool. I'll put the link below so you can, if you want to go check it out. It's in Spanish, but it's still really good. Anyways, let's open box this and see what we have, and I'll see you in a few. All right, so here is the Cardo, the Freecom 4X. As it says here on the back, 1.2. Well, 3/4 of a mile, 1.2 kilometers, natural voice. You have voice commands, which is great. It's waterproof, as we know, universal connectivity to other Bluetooth connections. Also, it's got over-the-air software updates, which is great. No more having to take it off. You can get it all through the app itself. Sound by JBL. Here we go. So let's open box it, and what's inside? Little Cardo, very nice box. All right, it's good colors. I like it. Come on. Voila. Ooh, very nice. Look at that. That is a nice looking packaging system there. Let's move this out of the way so we have a little more room. The Cardo. It's nice and thin. I like it. I like it. It's always great to get things brand new. There's Cardo. We'll put this back here where it's supposed to be. What's in here? Nice little sticker for your laptop if you want it. All right, start here. You got to download the app first. Tell you, thank you for your purchase. Very nice. Tell your fellow riders what you think. Very nice. All right. And we have here a pocket guide. It folds up like a map, so I will not unfold it. Another pocket guide. I don't know why they gave us two, but they did. Cool. That's fine. A little safety, compliance, and warranty info. Another document that opens up like a map. I won't open that. There's your installation guide. All right, that's pretty straightforward. This will not be difficult. What else is in here? We have 3 little boxes, it looks like. Just one box here. That's everything. Okay, so nothing else is in here. And this is, I guess, I'm assuming all of the connections. Yeah. Looks like the speakers. Okay. This looks like, the connection for the helmet, to connect this to it. I have my USB-C connector, USB-A to C, another cradle. So I know you can attach it 2 different ways. You can do it adhesive or an actual physical cradle which clips onto the helmet. The little boom mic, and that's everything. A little boom for the people that have a, say you have a open helmet design. All right, guys, there's your Cardo. I like it. I'll come back with a review on it, but for now, there's just an open box. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. All right, have a great day.